Alright guys, I want to show you my hack of how to remove and install your valve springs, more specifically the little retaining pieces here, using just your common F-type clamp and a little piece of scrap metal, preferably a U-shaped bit of metal like that, or plastic if you have it on hand. So all you want to do is, I'll turn this up just to show you a bit easier. Alright, so you want to put the bottom of the clamp, you want to slide it up and basically put it right on the valve there. It's the perfect fit, this one. And you want to have the handle on the bottom here, because when you rotate you don't want to, even though it's got a swivel there, just makes it a bit easier at the top there that it's not rotating. So I'll show you what I mean. Yeah. Right. This is going to go here. Like so. Just try and get as centered as you can. And yeah, it doesn't take much force just to rotate this handle. Lots of control. There we go, right. So you can see they're both slipped into the groove there. You just want to slowly come up and they should slide in. And there you go. Perfect. And just keep doing that for the rest. Now the reason you want to use an F-clamp is because it's a $10 tool. And they're really versatile, a lot more versatile than, and obviously quick to clamp up as well. But you get that much adjustability, which is more than enough usually. But yeah, rather than a G-clamp being fixed at its position, you can slide it along. $10, bargain. And just as an afternote, to do the reverse this, to get the actual clips out there, basically you want to use the same technique, but grab yourself some sort of magnet and it will just pull those clips right out as you compress the spring. Makes things a lot quicker and easier.